Welcome to all again. Now I'm talking about how you work as a professional. See, I earlier videos I showcase. You can panel, you can clip it, and you can make it outside also. So initial days, may controlling the panel is not easy. Most of the time, we will do the mistake. You will select some other panel, then you do the editing. For that, you will get lot of issues. So for that, you need to one thing, you need to align the layer name, the panel very well. And here you see that this is a below the group. The address, the logo, the phone number, the company name, everything is a one group. So whatever the work you completed, you put it as a one group. Then you can easy and layer name is for 50% of this is a one. Banner, this is a one. Adventure sports, this is a one. So whenever you add something, you'll do that. Another one option they are giving you to easily work on the channel. You can medium, you can large thumbnail you can do. See the thumbnails are very large. You can understand that. So sometimes this thumbnail you cannot understand easily. Okay, so another thing again I am changing to small thumbnail, and one more option they are giving. So this thumbnail, what I am going to do, and here I am clicking it. Sorry, so I make it as little bit bigger thumbnail. Clip to the layer bounds. So then it will showcase, okay, this is a thumbnail is this one is thumbnail is like this. So immediately you can see where is this object is. Here also we can put it on that. Sorry, this text layer is not possible on that. Oh my god, I just want to save it. So another thing is this should not happen. What you need to do, what are the work you completed? Once you completed, you lock the layer, then this issue will not happen. You cannot click and drag. So another thing is, another option I am saying, see, clip the thumbnail to document bounds. What it is mean that how is it is small, it is a little bigger, you can able to understand this. See now I am putting as a large thumbnail. Large thumbnail. So you need to put, see, I am moving this. So you know where is the layer bounds, which area it is showing. So to click that again, you want the small thumbnails, you just click it, right click. If you want to change the thumbnail, you can click again, then large thumbnail, again click on the thumbnail. You can put small thumbnail, you can also select medium thumbnail. Okay, this is a way you can do that. Okay, I'm again converting into a small thumbnail. And now thumbnail also option is there if you want, but don't go for that. Okay, now if you want again, you click on here, then here panel options, I'm putting on small thumbnail. Okay, now if you want to duplicate a copy, just click here. Then I'm just putting duplicate. Sorry, that is add a new layer. Sorry for that. Click and drag it, then it automatically a new layer is. So that is a one way you can duplicate the layer. Or Control J or Command J, you can also duplicate a line. So you can see a copy. So that is also duplicate. Third way, you can just Alt and drag, or Option and drag, you can duplicate a line. So three ways I mentioned duplicate a layer. Once you select the layer, drag it on the plus symbol, duplicate it. I'm deleting that. Okay. Then shortcut key Command J or Control J, you can duplicate a layer. Again, the layer is duplicated. I am deleting it. Okay. Then another one, Alt and drag. So here you can see banner copy. To avoid that, there is an option here in the panel. You can select it, panel options. Then you say that add copy layered groups, that you can avoid it. Then press OK. Now I am removing this layer again. Okay, I am Control J or Command J if you do. So only it is showing as a banner. So the copy, where did this go? Another thing is, I have created this group. This group is the bottom group. Welcome to all. Last time I discussed, if you have any group, Any item you completed, you can put it as a group. So it will be easy. And again, layer name. So one more option you have, you click on the this layer or group, then you can change it as a one color. So now you can understand this color is a completed work. Otherwise, this is a text layer, and this is also a text layer. You can click it. Okay, my text layers are red layers. So this is a way also you can align it, and you can do it. This is one of the other way you can also do it. Thank you for watching. What are things I discussed in this video? One is how to use the thumbnail and how to clip the images on the thumbnail. Then you can convert to then layer copy, layer duplicate, otherwise layer copy, and three ways you can do the layer copy and layer coloring, and how to work on a layers in IntelliJ. So thank you for watching, and please practice these exercises in this file. Also I'll upload it otherwise. So one other things I'll tell you, this is very small file. When you professionally you are working on the file, minimum 100 layer, 150 layers will be there. That time identifying the layers are too difficult. So earlier I given a method that right click which layer is there, you can understand that. That is another method, otherwise it's through the thumbnails. So I think that you need to watch the videos correctly. Immediately you need to practice after completing the video. So thank you for watching.